welcome to my channel. I'm Tatiana Mani, and thank y'all for tuning in to today's video. Y'all, so for today's video, your girl is back with another hair video. Y'all, I love doing my hair videos because I love changing it on up. Today's video is going to be reviewed on XrsBeauty Hair, y'all. For one, I have never seen a package of hair packed like this. Like, for one, let's just get into the packaging. It's orange. It got a little bow around it. It's packed like it's giving Louis Vuitton, baby. Okay, purr. So I'm ready to open this, y'all. When this package came in the mail, I was like, oh, this is beautiful, y'all. So let's go ahead and let's see what is in the package. Ooh, this is giving how do I open it vibes. Like, ooh, this fancy. So open it like this, y'all. Woo, baby. Hold on, we gotta redo that. That was nice. That was nice. So we gotta go. Woo, boom. Okay, purr. Okay, y'all. So when you first open the packaging, of course, I have my wig, y'all. Okay, I have a comb, y'all. I needed a comb like this. What? I needed a comb like this. Okay, so I have a comb. Y'all, it's always the little things that get me so excited, but y'all, I love this comb already. Then they sent me some hair clips because I need my hair clips when I be trying to style and hot comb and stuff. The little flyaways be in my way, so I need my hair clips. And then they sent me some rollers just in case I wanted to curl my hair up. Okay, y'all, they coming through. This is a unboxing I've never done before. Like, I've never got rollers in my unboxing or a big comb like this in my unboxing. And then some pretty behind hair clips. Okay, per XRS, you did your damn thing. And then they sent your girl a wig cap, deluxe wig cap at that, because y'all know your girl hate going to the beauty supply store getting wig caps. So they sent me a wig cap, y'all. Okay, y'all, so XrsBeauty sent me a wig with this new lace that's called clear lace, you guys. So it's supposed to be very undetectable. It's supposed to melt straight into your skin. So you know you have transparent lace, HD lace, and now they have this thing called clear lace. So y'all can't even see the lace. It's so clear, like you don't even have to bleach the knots. The lace is so clear. Like, look, it's giving scalp. This is a 13 by 6, not 4, but a 13 by 6 clear lace wig, you guys. And it is silky straight, 200 density and 20 inches, y'all. For one, when I say clear, y'all, look at this mother freaking lace. Like, look at it. Look at how clear this lace is, y'all. And I did say it's a 13 by 6. Look at the inside. You have so much room, so much parting space, so much room with this wig, y'all. Just look at it. They also sent me some examples so that y'all can see the difference. This is the clear lace. Look at it. Look how clear it is. And then this is the transparent lace. So you see how you can actually see this lace, but if I hold it to the camera, this blends straight through, and this one you can still see. So this is the transparent one, and this is the clear lace. Get into it, baby. So you have the clear lace and you have the transparent lace, baby. Which ones y'all going to? I'm going with the clear lace, okay, period. Is it scalp or is it lace? So I did want to show you guys the difference in between the clear lace and the transparent lace. This is the clear lace right here. I'm just going to take some Got To Be spray it on there. Take the blow dryer and blow dry it so y'all can see how well this lace blends into my skin. Do y'all see? Look at the middle. Do y'all see how well that lace blended into my skin? Look at it. It blended so well into my skin. Now I'm going to take the transparent lace and show y'all the transparent lace. I'm going to do the same exact thing so y'all can see the difference in these two laces. This lace blends, but it doesn't blend as well as the clear lace. So here you guys see the difference in both laces. I have the clear lace at this moment. That's the wig I have. So I just kind of wanted to give you guys a look into that. So yes, y'all, before we get too far into this video, make sure y'all like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that post notification bell, select all, because y'all need to be notified every time your girl drop a new video, because we lit over here. And also make sure y'all spam in the comments down below and let me know, what should I name her? We need to name my girl, okay? We need to give her a name, because clear lace, who? Okay, period, undetectable, period, clean hairline, okay, so yes, y'all, spam in the comments down below and let me know what we should name her. But let's go ahead and get straight into, you know, this clear undetectable lace. Let's go ahead and install this baby. As I'm cutting holes into my ball cap, you guys, I realized I wanted to do something a little different. Normally, I would use the Got To Be Free spray to lay my ball cap down, but today I'm going to be using my bold hole that I normally use to lay my wigs down. I'm just going to be putting it around my hairline, just like how I would do the Got To Be spray, but I'm just using the glue because I've heard this is less messier. It actually lays your cap down way better. So I did try this method today. Normally, I cut the cap and then put my foundation on, but today I'm going to be, like I told you, I'm trying something new. So I'm going to be putting the foundation powder on my ball cap. It's still drying just because I just want to try something new, y'all. So y'all know when I cut my ball cap off, I do try to get it as close to my hairline as possible. Like, I be really focused because I don't be wanting my wigs to be too far up or too far back, so I'm just making sure I get it as close to the hairline as possible. Rubbing alcohol to clean up all of that extra foundation or glue that got left after I cut the ball cap off, because you don't want none of that on while you're putting your wig on. Get into how clear and how perfect that hairline looks, you guys. Like, oh my gosh, it looks so bomb. So now I'm just kind of putting my wig on my head before I, you know, actually mold it down, just to see exactly how I want it, how it's gonna lay. Just, you know, kind of admiring the wig while, you know, trying to figure out exactly where I want to lay it. Now, y'all know when I use my bow hole, I do put dots around my wig cap, and then I take my edge of my razor and I kind of just blend it all together. I do add 2 to 3 layers. I put the glue on, I wait till it turns clear, and then I add another layer, you guys. I do this at least 2 times. You can add however many layers you would like. I just feel that 2 layers is always works best for me. Oh, my son had came in here. That's why I started smiling. If y'all can see through the little mirror, he came in here walking. So when I do put my wigs on, I use a comb to mold the lace into the glue. I don't press it into the glue. I use the comb to mold it into the glue because it lays better that way. So I'm going to wrap my hair up and I'm going to let this sit for a little minute so I know that it's nice and molded. And there you go, y'all. Y'all know I like to use my hot comb. That hot comb come in handy when you want your wigs to be as flat as possible. So y'all are, if y'all don't know already by now, y'all are going to see me use my hot comb a lot throughout this process. This hair came so silky and so straight, so I didn't really have to do much flat ironing because it came really silky, really straight, really soft. I kind of just went through it a little bit, but I really didn't even have to do that. When I tell y'all this hair is so soft and silky, it's so soft and silky, it is so bomb. I'm so in love with it, and y'all, it's giving everything it was supposed to give. Now, y'all know I don't like talking that much because I want y'all to be able to focus and see exactly what I'm doing. So let's just go ahead and let's just get straight into this slay. Make sure y'all comment down below and let me know exactly how y'all feel about the video so far. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know if it's scalp or is it lace, because baby, it's giving very much scalp, okay, period. So let's just go ahead, grab y'all popcorn, and let's just finish this slay. Shout out to XrsBeauty Hair for sending me this bomb behind clear lace wig, y'all. Woo! Let's get straight into it. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm just so in love with this. Hair is so silky. Just look at it. Okay, body is giving silky, it's giving straight. Okay, girl, I see you. Okay, yeah, period. I was feeling myself, y'all, so you know I'm over there. Okay, yeah. I had to do the. So yes, you guys, I just look at it, y'all. Just look at it. Okay, body. At this point, I was just feeling myself. I'm singing, I'm doing everything, y'all. I always gotta do that when I get my hair done, just to see, if I like it, if it's flowing the way it's supposed to be flowing. And yes, y'all, it passed the test. So I was just over here admiring myself, looking in the mirror, looking at y'all, just trying to see, like, do I love it or do I like it? And baby, I love it. But that's basically going to be it for today's video. Everything about XrsBeauty will be in the description down below, so make sure y'all go check them out. I love y'all. Mwah. Bye.